Hi guys, if it's Saturday, I'm at, those who watch my movies can say that I'm at home. I was supposed to be at Gdańsk, at the Polish seaside. I was going to fly today, but I wanted to be frugal. And yesterday morning when I checked the ticket prices, it was something like 140 zloty. In the afternoon, they dropped below 100. So I thought, let's wait till midnight. They should drop even more. No way. They doubled. And checking just a few minutes ago, they're at the same price at the flights in 2 hours, so no way I'm gonna make it. But today, having daylight, I can at least show you my new drone bag, which I showed you in my previous movie at night. A really great case. Although I already have an idea for a slight improvement. As you can see, it's placed in here with a gimbal on top. That's to prevent for it being pressed in when somebody hits on the side. Although having a power supply or anything hard here can still get it pushed in through this foam and we can suffer damage. So the idea is to get some piece of plastic, put it here, just a rectangular piece of maybe like polycarbonate, something hard, which will spread out the pressure all the way to the arms here, so even something hits the corner of the bag here, nothing will happen to the gimbal. And that's it for the case. In the meantime, I also got 2 packages today. This one's something for the kitchen, and this one's a lipo safe bag, also very useful for airline travel. Some say it's required, but according to IATA regulation, I haven't seen it anywhere, a requirement for lipo-safe bags for flying on board. And as you know, you're required to take batteries on board because in the storage, when you have varying pressure temperatures, they could actually explode. So, let's take a look what's inside. Never leave charging batteries unattended. Always ensure the battery is on a non-flammable surface. Ensure flap is sealed while charging. The lipo safe is intended to reduce the chances of damage in the event of a lipo fire. So, according to the description, this is for charging batteries. You place them inside, and that's how you charge them. I wonder what this material is, with asbestos nowadays being forbidden. Looks maybe like something fiberglass or something like that. So a case for 2 batteries. Perfect. Okay. And as for this package, can you guess what this is? So maybe I'll show you. You can use it, for example, for some cereal. So we've got this really convenient closure, and when needed, you can easily dispense and then close it up at the end, so you don't get any air getting inside. So that's it for today. Be sure to like, share, subscribe, and see you again soon, perhaps in Gdańsk.